Hi everyone, welcome back to the Dahlia Society. I'm here today to bring you my favourite summer woven skirts. So stay with me if you find that interesting. These are the ones that I've really enjoyed making, that I've loved to wear, and they've been really easy makes as well. And I know you guys are going to love wearing them. Now, the first one I've got on here is one of my very favourites from the last season, and this is the Helen's Closet Donovan skirt. It's got a really comfortable elastic waist, so a nice thick elastic. She has got the option for a drawstring as well if you prefer that option, but I just love the fit. The side splits I think are beautiful, so you can actually make them up to any height that you like. Now with it, I'm wearing one of my own self-drafted linen tops. I've done it in a lovely linen woven fabric. So in the mustard, I think it complements a lot of these things. So yeah, I love the Helen's Closet Donovan skirt. It comes in size 0 to size 30, so a great size inclusivity there. It can be made in such a wide variety of fabrics. So you're thinking about your cottons, linens, you can do it possibly in a rayon as well, so a heavier kind of cotton, like a drill. But I love the fact that there's not too much bulk. Even though it's got elastic in a waist, there's not a lot of gathering around the waistband. If you want the comfort of an elastic waist skirt without the bulk, then the Donovan skirt is for you. So yeah, size 0 to 30, fantastic skirt to wear and to make. So I'll change you to the next one. Next, we have the Melinda midi skirt. Now I made this just venturing into autumn time, but it's a beautiful skirt for summer. It's soft and drapey. I've made it in a rayon. Comes in sizes 0 to 30, so fantastic range there. Love the big front patch pockets, huge pockets. You can just about fit anything in, but love the amount of drape it gives. There is a little bit more gathering than what I'm used to in a skirt, but I find that if you wear a plain top with it, I actually think this would be a great all-rounder, all year round skirt. Definitely take you through many seasons depending on what kind of colours, what kind of fabric you make it with. So and I do have an affiliate link on this skirt if you like the style of that. I do get a small commission of that as well, so which goes back into my channel. So if you like that, I will link it below. And a comfortable elastic waist skirt that's got that little bit more floaty drapiness to it. You're going to love the Melinda midi skirt. And yeah, you can make this really any length you like. You can cater it to exactly what you're after. So if you want it a bit shorter, quite easy to do, and also quite easy to make a maxi as well. So, but this is a fabric from Spotlight that I purchased. I just think it's a gorgeous print and works really well mixed back into your wardrobe. This is a fantastic free pattern that I have made a whole vlog about. If you're interested in free patterns, it's the Justine Ready to Sew skirt. Comes in sizes 32 to 52. Now you might notice with this skirt, I actually decided to do a bit of a hack on it. It has got a flat waistband with a button up. I wanted an elastic back on mine, so I'll show you the back. I actually have done a tutorial on this actual skirt, so you can see what I've done. I've lengthened the back of the waistband, and I've done an elastic casing in it and gathered it up, and it's given me that little bit extra comfort. The front patch pockets are beautiful. You can add your own little button detail, whatever catches your eye as far as buttons go. You can choose to complement the skirt. A lovely free pattern to take advantage of. Ready to Sew is a fantastic pattern company. I've loved everything I've sewn from them as well. So this is the next one. This is a fantastic pattern. Probably one of my very first patterns I ever made. It's the Mietta skirt from Tilly and the Buttons. It's actually a fantastic wrap style skirt, great for a beginner. No buttons and closures. There's actually just a wraparound style made with about 2 meters of a 150 width fabric. So very, very easy to make. So definitely a beginner friendly style. I love the fact that it's made in a denim. I've made it in like a light color denim, but you can do it in a chambray or a dark in color denim will work perfectly. Also linens, anything like a heavier kind of drill will work lovely as well. It's in a size 0 to 20 as well. So if you love Tilly and the Buttons, this is a fantastic pattern to start on. So I'll give you another little look. If you're after a boho looking style tiered skirt, this is the perfect one for you. It's a pattern Emporium tiered skirt, comes in size 6 to size 22. It's soft and floaty and really glamorous to wear, and I've worn this in winter time as well, but I love it for summer. I'll show you the full length of it. It's actually really stunning. I think I've seen a lot of people add lace on the tiers as well, which can be quite easily done. It would be lovely in a chiffon or a georgette. I've done it in a rayon here, but definitely need something soft and drapey for this one. But I've also seen it done with different patterned tiers, so that can add a bit of interest. If you're wanting to use 2 different style fabrics, maybe a big floral and a small, or a check and a stripe, that can be quite easily done to make it really individual. So yeah, loving this one. This is my favorite pattern Emporium skirt. It's got a half elastic back, so you can see it's sheared at the back. If you love your shearing, it gives you that little bit of detail, a little bit of stretch there. And the front waistband is nice and flat, so I think that's a really flattering style, especially on the waistline, as it gives you that nice neat shape at the front and the comfort at the back. So I hope you've enjoyed that. It's last season and the season before what I wore the most for summer in my skirts. I'm sure next season there'll be plenty more new varieties to show you, new patterns. Next up, I've got coming my favorite woven summer pants and culottes. So I really hope you'll stay tuned for that, because I think it's fantastic. The feedback I've been getting has been amazing. So, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. That way you won't miss out on any future episodes coming out. Stay tuned for that, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.